So here we have a couple of pictures of the old station, very nice and quaint, but one of the big problems with Thai railways, they are very open to the public, and for that reason the trains seem to run very slowly. So the idea was to put the tracks up in the air, which obviously meant creating new stations up in the air as well. So here's Khon Kaen's new station, which is now open and being used. They do seem to have kept some of the old features, old design of the Thai railway stations, but that's where the similarities end. This is massive. It's the longest railway station I've ever seen. Some of the overnight trains are very long, but then again, if this high-speed railway takes off, I can't see there being the need for overnight trains anymore. Pedestrian access is via 2 flights of stairs immediately in front of the main entrance, and vehicle access and disabled access is via a service road, a nice ramp that goes up to the main entrance again, and as you can see, there's also a taxi stand or a tuk-tuk stand just outside the station entrance. For me, this is very well thought out. The 2-lane road, along with the parking bay in front of the main entrance, allows easy unloading of passengers or easy unloading of luggage. The area is covered, so it's going to keep you dry, and there are no steps or curbs or anything. It's straight flat to the main entrance. The road then drops down again and feeds onto 2 main roads, and at either side of the station there is also further pedestrian access via another flight of stairs. On entering the station, the ticket office is directly on your right. And behind this is a seating area or a waiting area. As you can see, either side of the ticket office there's an escalator which goes up to the platform. There's also lifts that go up to each platform, so 1 escalator going up, 1 escalator coming down, and 1 lift to either platform. There are also 8 separate flights of stairs feeding either platform, and as you can see, they're very long. Now, if the lifts and escalators failed, I wouldn't like to be climbing these. At either side of the station, we have waiting rooms, meeting rooms, police rooms, bathrooms, disabled toilets, male female toilets, baby feeding rooms, baby changing rooms. They seem to have virtually everything covered, and they seem to have fitted them out to quite a good standard. Bear in mind while you're watching this about it still being a building site. So up the escalator, and let's go and see how the tracks look. Let's get away from this noise. And as we arrive, we can see we have one train, goods train, waiting on the right hand side, and it seems like there's people waiting for a train to arrive on the left hand platform. This would be a typical train entering the station, and look how little of the station platform it actually needs. The goods train was actually waiting for the passenger train to come through, so it seems like there's only one of the lines actually working at the moment as well. They're still passing in the stations. Again, I'm unsure how many goods trains run through the station every day, but according to the timetable, there's 14 passenger trains a day. This guy has just been changing the points for the goods train to leave the station, and as you can see, they use bikes to get around. The stations are that long. So within the station, there's 4 platforms, and these then merge into 2 tracks outside of the station. So 4 tracks become 2. There's still one at ground level which is being used, and we'll take a look at that in a minute. Okay, so back into the noise, and as you can see on the left hand side, there's a big yellow fuel rig. I believe this rig is still being used, and that's the reason that this track is still being used. I'm not sure if this is going to be permanent or they're going to come up with some fix for this. So facing away from the ticket office is more or less a mirror image of the side of the station you've already seen, but this is out of bounds at the moment. Outside of the station, this is a view of Khon Kaen you get from the main entrance, with the Pullman Hotel to your left.